Good morning, everyone. Dead excited. I've received the Tristar tester for iPhones from the main, I believe, the main people in Germany. That's where it's come from. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing just to see what we have in the pack. Yes, I've hidden the rest of the detail. I just want to keep my details as discreet as possible. So let's get onto the unboxing side of it. Okay, it's packed, as you can see, sealed. So I haven't opened it. It's just turned up now. So let me. Okay. Voila. What do we have here, hey? That is exciting. I'm really excited. Oops. I'm really excited. Yeah, I've got an invoice, which is very good. Absolutely amazing, because a lot of some companies will include an invoice, others won't. And where it's come from is them. And the total cost. Again, it's got my address all over the place. What's that? So, when it was purchased on the 25th of March, and what we're on now, was it 25th or was it processed on 25th? Let me just get this right. No, it was purchased a little bit, probably about a week ago, and I'd say about roughly week, and it's here. So, wow, superb, absolutely amazing, guys. Right, let's see what we have in the box. There's no need for this now, that can go in the bin. Designed in Frankfurt, made in Germany. Okay, well, you know what? When I see anything that's manufactured or designed or whatever it is in Germany or Japan, my heart starts pumping away, you know, thinking, right, okay, and I'm just dead excited to sort of have a go at it, see what's going on, and it's just absolutely amazing, sort of, you know, to have stuff, because you're talking about reliability here. Anything that's made in Japan, for example, you know that you're getting quality stuff. Anything that's made in German, you're talking German hardcore engineering, and you expect it to sort of last, and you expect it to be bulletproof. So let's quickly unpack the thing and see what we have in the box. Obviously the Tristar itself, and this is a certificate of authentication. This is to certify this Tristar tester has been designed, assembled and tested by the original manufacturer, which is the SmartMod GmbH in Frankfurt, Germany. Signed and dated 5th of March 2019. Right, so that leaves me, I'm a little bit confused here, because the date's a bit thinking, I don't think I've ordered it that far ago, but maybe he's written it down wrong, whatever, I don't know, but I'm not going to go into all that now. Let's get the unit out. Anti-static wrap. Okay, what do we have here? Obviously the serial number of the unit. These are going to be the test function buttons. I'm pretty sure I've seen it somewhere, where I probably will quickly have a play around with it, but I'm assuming that this is going to be the power button. Let's power it up. Yeah. Quick test. Connect a device. Oh, right, okay, so it should tells you what the buttons are. Allocate, you know, the labelings are there on the LCD, so that's for the test and that's for quick test. So shall we try something? I've got a phone here that's in repair, but obviously the battery's I think the battery's totally dead on it. So shall we sort of try and see what happens? Device is connected, so it instantly recognises the connect. Right, let's do a quick test on it. So it's testing the flex dock. Now it's testing the Tristar and the Hydra. Let's see what's going on. usually looking at the previous YouTube videos, I am led to believe that this test can take maybe up to a couple of minutes or so, or something like that. So let's see what's going on here now. You know, devices as such as this makes your life, repair life, a lot easier and quicker, rather than just sort of looking through. You know, this gives you a start, a superb start as to whether if it's a Tristar or Hydra related issue or the charging flex, even the battery. So it goes through quite a bit of thinking, and I can't thank these guys more than, you know, whatever, but you know, it's just can't thank them enough for doing what these guys are doing, and making the repair industry, you know, absolutely you know, amazing. That's all I can say. I'm dead chuffed that it's turned up, actually, because I've got a few phones that I'm excited to sort of have a play around with, iPhones to play around with logic bod issues. Some of them I believe I know what the issues are. I've got an iPhone 6 Plus here with the Tristar. That's got an issue. It's causing some sort of fake charging issue on the phone, so I'm going to get rid. I've ordered various IC to sort of replace. So I'm just waiting for a couple of ICs to arrive from China. I've normally I've used AliExpress. Very good, absolutely amazing. Regardless of how much the component is, it's tracked all the way. You know, it's amazing, absolutely amazing. Right, we're up to 91% now. Let's see what's going on. Because the phone turns on, but the problem is that once the battery is fully discharged, the phone won't charge. But while the battery is charged, to say 30% charge, 40% charge, okay, then it's thingy. So dot connect, right? Okay, test, check Tristar, right? Okay, let's see what's going on here. So we have a problem with the Tristar. So it's the charging IC that's got a problem right here. There we go. So it's not the fucking sorry, it's not the flipping battery that I assumed it's going to be. But I was going to test all that anyway, obviously. But we have a problem now. To be very honest with you, this device, what I paid for, has made my life you know, absolutely, you know, easy, absolutely easy, because it's telling me straight away what the issues are likely to be, and the Tristar chip needs replacing. Because what the symptom is that once the battery drains, you plug it in, nothing happens. But then you take the battery out and charge it through one of them. Leave it overnight, battery dies off. So when you come back in the morning, plug it back in again, and the Tristar's sorry, the battery's totally dead and it won't charge again. So here we are, we've got some results. Absolutely amazing. I'm really chuffed. I'm absolutely chuffed. Okay, I won't be running a thorough test because I don't want this video to go for too long. And it instantly sort of recognises, right, okay, so the device, there's no device connected. Wow. Let me see what the build does. That wiggle? No, it's quite, you know, I mean, it's plastic. You know, I would have expected, maybe it's not, maybe it's a criticism, maybe not, but I would have expected the housing to be a little bit more sort of, you know, bit more nicer looking. Oh, just one thing I missed out is this is the charging. I believe this is the charging port where you've got to give it a charge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a good charge. I'm pretty sure the lads have done it over there before sending it off, because it's come from German. So anyway, that's all. Thank you very much for sort of watching my video of unboxing the Tristar tester for iPhones. And all the best, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye for now.